Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable Google Assistant on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, by activating Google Assistant on your device, then it should look cooler. Just follow the steps to do. Before it, you have to make sure that your device is connected to internet or Wi-Fi. Okay, first thing first, you can go to the settings menu on your device. Okay, and here you can type on the search box, "Hey Google." After that, here you can click this option and turn it on like this. Okay, after that, you just do the following step. Click I agree. Scroll down please and click I agree. If you are asked to add a voice, then just follow and say the example text. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Click next. And here you can click not now, and then OK Google feature on your device is active. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to enable Google Assistant feature on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.